Welcome to the BIZOL how-to video. Today, we're going to show you our air conditioning cleaner, BIZOL C30 AC Clean Plus. Do you have a bad smell coming from your air conditioning? In many cases, this is caused by bacteria which grow on dirt accumulated in the evaporator. This evaporator is located in the ventilation system of your car. Even if there is no smell, it is worth cleaning the air conditioning evaporator twice a year. We recommend you do this before and after the summer. So how does BIZOL C30 AC Clean Plus work? BIZOL C30 AC Clean Plus is a highly effective cleaning foam which acts directly where the problems are caused, in the evaporator. What do you need to clean the air conditioning? BIZOL C30 AC Clean Plus, a toolkit, a pollen filter and instruction. You need to get access to the evaporator, which sounds more complicated than it is. You have to find your car's interior air filter, which is usually located by the glove box. After cleaning the system, it is a good idea to replace the filter with a new one, so be sure to have a new one handy. Sometimes the inlet is very dirty. Remove the dirt by hand or using a vacuum cleaner. Remove the pollen filter and then dry the ventilation system. Here's how. Start the engine. If possible, switch off the air conditioning system. Set ventilation to max. Set temperature to max. Let it run for about 10 minutes. Turn off the engine. Insert the supplied hose deep into the opening of the filter housing and spray until the foam comes out of the opening. Leave the product to work for about 10 to 15 minutes. BIZOL C30 AC Clean Plus is a highly effective cleaning foam which works directly where the problems are caused, at the evaporator. Now, dry the ventilation system again. Do it the same way as before. Start the engine. If possible, switch off the air conditioning system. Set ventilation to max, set temperature to max, and let it run for about 10 minutes. Now insert a new filter and close the filter housing. Cleaning has been completed successfully. BIZOL C30 AC Clean Plus has removed the dirt and created a protective film in the ventilation system and the evaporator. This way, the fresh orange smell will last for a long time. Thank you very much for watching our BIZOL how-to video, and have fun with your car.